Hello everyone, my name is Chris and today I am going to be talking about these wire holders. Yes, they're from a Chinese brand. I don't really know, I don't understand Mandarin, nor can I read it, but it's from a Chinese company that sells these cool little wire holders. It comes in several different colors. I got mine in a box of 6. So these are only 2. This is only a third of what offered in the deal I got. And let's start off with just explaining the touch and feel. The touch is really cool. It's this rubber. It's made out of rubber too, so it's pretty good quality in that it's not plastic, and it's quite durable. It's quite durable and robust, meaning you could fit way more than one cable in here if you wanted to. I use 2 or 3 cables for my own use. And then on the back, there's just this sticky adhesive bottom with a cover. I didn't take this cover off, but as soon as you take this cover off and place it, it sticks indefinitely. I've had this product for over 2 years now, and it still sticks. It's still sticking to this day. I can show you right now on one of the places I used it for over a year, and it still sticks there. So I can definitely vouch saying that this stickiness is very good on the adhesive. So don't make a mistake, because once you make a mistake, it's very hard to get it off. And when you get it off, the stickiness is just not there anymore. As far as size wise, I'd say the closest that they're to in size is about a quarter. Just to show side to side comparison, it's about a quarter. This bottom part is a quarter. So it's not too big, it's very light. It's very lightweight. You really don't know you're carrying anything. It's like maybe 1 ounce. 1 ounce at most. And just to show you how it would work is, say you want it here. So you'd want your cable to go here and stay here about, so you could charge your phone. Well, depending on the type of cable you just stick it through the middle part, and there it works like a charm. So then you could take this, put it in the back where all the rerouting is, take this adhesive off, do it however you want to. Maybe it's not a good place here, leave it there, and then bam, you have your own holder for you. So then there's no more need for any mess or anything. And it's just a real cool way to bump up your entire office. Say, since it comes in many different colors: green, red, black, pink, yellow. Say for this one, right, black would make more sense. It would be more easy to camouflage. So if I had on the black, left it here, or maybe on the side, something cool like maybe on the side right here, and then left it here, so then I could have such an easy way of picking it up. There's no more need for any cables on the floor, and this could do very well more than one cable. Wire, not cable. Let me get another one just to show you that it fits really well. Fits well and snugly inside. Oh, it's kind of hard to show it with one hand. That's the only problem. But once you get it there, and then see, there you go. You have 2. I would say 2 or 3 to make it look snugly. Anything after 3, you could fit. It's just you're kind of straining, you're kind of putting some strain and pressure on it. See, there you go. You can put two easily. Maybe you put one here, customizable. Okay. So let's talk about some of the negative aspects, because with every product there's always some downside. Well, one of the downsides of this product is the fact that it's not really recyclable, meaning that if you were to throw this, you would really be causing a damage on the environment, as it is not biodegradable, nor is it edible in any way, shape, or form good for the environment. That's one of the downsides I have. Second downside is, like I said, if you make a mistake and you try to, you say you took the sticky part off, apply the adhesive, applied force, it takes very long to wiggle out, to get out. And once you finally do get it out, you can't put it back again because it lost all that sticky adhesiveness to it. So it's pretty much at that point just for holding, which kind of defeats the purpose. A really big seller in this entire thing is the fact that it can stick to pretty much wherever there's a big enough surface for it. As far as that's the only real downside. I'd say maybe another one, possibly. This one's opinionated, but the design that they made here, it's kind of weird. This kind of weird dome shape. I would be much better off if it was just more flat. This dome shape just doesn't make too much sense in my opinion, but like I said, that's just a personal choice. Alright, well, thank you everyone for watching, and hopefully I gave you good insight about these cord holders.